Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. I've always wanted a treadmill, and I ended up going with this model from Seoul when I decided to upgrade my home gym. And let me tell you, I am so glad I did. I love all the features of this treadmill. I really appreciate because it is in my guest room that has the ability to fold up. And I think that is a huge plus when it comes to this treadmill. I love how simple the design is. It has multiple areas where you can up your incline and speed with buttons on either handle that aren't in the way when you're actually using the treadmill. So you don't have to worry about accidentally hitting the button. I love that if you're in the middle of a run and you're holding on, you can actually up your incline, up your speed just by tapping one or two buttons. I also really appreciate how it has on the center different numbers for the incline and speed. And it is so convenient when you are trying to push a little bit harder to just hit that button and not have to make too much of a decision. It really has so many features. It has a lot of extra programs. So you can go by fat burn, cardio, you can program user one, user two. It really has so many great features. It also came with a tablet stand, which I chose not to use because I do have a TV mounted on the wall in front of this, but it's great if you're putting this somewhere where you don't have access to a TV. It can be hooked right to the front of your treadmill. I absolutely love this treadmill by Soul, and I think it was the perfect investment for my home gym. I really recommend this one. I think it is absolutely worth the money, and that is my point of view.